Step into the future of education and innovation with our revolutionary virtual dissection table. Our virtual dissection table combines state-of-the-art DICOM 3D technology with 3D vector anatomy, providing an unparalleled hands-on learning experience. With just a simple gesture, students can explore detailed 3D models of organs, tissues. They can rotate, zoom in, and interact with the virtual specimens, gaining a comprehensive understanding of the human body. The uniqueness of our virtual dissection table lies in its incorporation of preloaded actual cadavers with various pathologies and causes of death. Users can manipulate the virtual cadavers, zoom in on specific areas, rotate the models, and examine the effects of diseases and injuries from multiple perspectives. Join us in shaping the future of education.